Good morning, traders. It's Peter Thompson, senior mentor of 1 Billion Signals, sponsored by Merit Forex. It's Wednesday morning. Time to track down what's going on with the major currency pairs, guys. A couple of major topics we have currently. Hope you are taking care of yourself because we need good health to trade on the market, of course. and I think we are having a very interesting week. So, a very quick recap about the economic calendar. We start Tuesday, average earning index for GBP and climate count change. We have positive for the UK, core retail sales and retails, negative for US, which is pretty expected, to be honest with you. I'm not gonna comment even China's results because they're very red. No point to discuss the retail sales in China and etc. Today we have CPI 10 AM GMT. We have building permits for US, CPIs for the Eurozone, crude oil inventories 2:30 p.m. GMT. Our lovely crude oil core CPI in Canada 12:30, and gross domestic product in New Zealand, which is not gonna be very important event, I would say, but still follow it. Thursday, tomorrow, employment change in Australia 12:30, interest rate in Switzerland. Probably we're gonna see decrease cut of the interest rate with the 0.25, even 0.50. We see every country in the world is cutting the interest rate following the United States steps. So I'm not gonna be surprised if we see Switzerland going even below -1%. And Friday we have core retail sales in monthly basis for Canada 12:30, and existing home sales for US 2 p.m. So the figures are definitely most of the figures are negative considering the situation outside. The major topic is the coronavirus spreading out more and more on daily basis. So just careful, first of all, before everything, careful about your health, of course. Take care of yourself, and just follow all the steps that the governments are telling you guys, because it's just important to stop this. Euro US dollar. We start with technical analysis. Euro US dollar. What is going on here? The euro reached 1.0991, very significant support level. Bear in mind that we can see any moment correction. For now, I don't trade euro US dollar because it's super unpredictable. As you can see, significantly went up, which this was not an uptrend. After that, very strong correction, slight recovery, continuation of this correction. So we definitely can see 1.0508, sorry, but at the same time we can see euro going up like crazy. So really I think it's gonna reach the support 1.08, but it's gonna be a dangerous short trade of the euro for now. So just be careful when you trade euro. Great British Pound, quite similar situation, but not so like crazy in terms of changing its direction. There is a direction, and the direction is obviously down. 1.21 round number and significant support. We can see anytime, we can see slight recovery. In this case, after such a drop, it's not going to be slight, it's going to be slight compared to this big movement, but yeah, definitely we can see recovery. I'm going to move this 1.30 round number into this resistance level, since it's a very strong. It was tested here 2 times and it was tested here 1 time more. So it's just very strong, and this is my logical level to see the GBP testing 1.22 round number, strong resistance, and until then I'm not gonna take any short trades. Australian US is the next one. Very down as most of the majors, and since we don't have a resistance level, I'm just gonna wait to see where the price is gonna stop and when the price is gonna establish new resistance level. Australian dollar is getting lower and lower on daily basis. As you can see, 0.60 logical level to bounce back? No, definitely it's not going to be smart to take any buy trades here. Um, Better wait for the correction and then take a short trade according to the trend. New Zealand, US, quite similar, with a little bit lower drop than Australian dollar. Similar price section. We can say this is a good retracement point, good resistance level, 0.60 round number. I'm gonna put it, but I'm gonna be very, very careful because it's not pretty clear. It was just a spike and went up immediately. That's how it was created here, as you can see, for 2 days. Tested this support and bounced back, and after that broken. So this is what makes me confident about 0.60 round number also. So very important resistance. I want to see how the price is going to behave around this level, then probably I'm going to take an action. USD Canadian, jumping directly to crude oil because this is interesting. USD practically is getting strength because, as you can see, the upward movement of USD Canadian is so strong. But if we take a look at the crude oil, this movement to the downside is not so strong. I mean, considering the general picture. So the crude oil reached 27.30, broken actually 27.30, and it's staying right below it. It's 26.92 current price. Pretty interesting to see if we're gonna see $20 per barrel, 15, even $10 per barrel. It's definitely not impossible. The demand for crude oil is going down simply because the world trade is going nowhere because of the coronavirus. Countries are closing borders. The demand for crude oil is going down, and the supply simply, even if they cut the supply, it's pretty hard in such a situation to boost the price to the upside. But at the same time, we have to be careful because any moment we can see correction and we can see closing this gap. The price can go to 25, even 20 after that to bounce back, but it can bounce back from this support here in order to close the gap. So just be very careful. It's totally sell position on crude, but be very careful because correction is expected. USD Canadian, very similar situation. We have to see correction. Probably we're gonna see 1.40. The volatility has been increased on every market, by the way, significantly. As you can see, we talk about here 270 pips daily. We the previous day 200, almost 210 pips. So this is much bigger than the average volatility on the forex market. And I'm not gonna even talk about crude oil, where the average volatility currently is about $3, and the daily volatility is about 60 to 80 pips in normal times. So just when you trade, be careful and take this into consideration, because it's very important for your risk management. USD Swiss franc reached the resistance. I thought that we're gonna see actually continuation to the downside yesterday, but just the US dollar made a significant growth. So US actually says that they're starting experiments. It's not experiments, trials, the human trials about the coronavirus, and this is what actually I think it boosting the US dollar. But the problems are not gone. So we definitely can see the Swiss franc as safe haven currency. We definitely can see after touching the resistance, after testing this resistance, it's very strong. But obviously, we definitely can see USD Swiss franc going down. I'm totally short on USD Swiss franc. I'm not gonna take any buy trades, despite the US strength. And for now, I want to see how the price is going to react. But USD Swiss and USD Japanese, as you can see, Japanese yen is trying to push the US dollar going down. We had a talk about it. 107.88, 108.84, 48, sorry, is our resistance zone. And right now the price is pushing lower and lower. And I think we're going to see very strong decline of USD Japanese. Safe haven currency anyway. Japan is not in great shape. A lot of people are infected there, but still, the currency is considered a safe haven currency, so it's pretty likely to see USD Japanese going down. So thank you very much for watching, guys. Really hoping you enjoyed the video. Of course, thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel, comments below, spread our video, of course, online. If you have any questions, you know how to reach me, of course, and have a very profitable week. So expect my video, of course, Monday. Bye bye.